This is a silhouette. Ain't no joke. Go by a marigo canarios. Give on. Why can't do it? What an adventure. We are in Silhouette. I think this is Laikipia County. Yep. Several kilometers past Nyahururu. I've not had such a hike in a long time, you know. But it's threatening to rain. It's actually drizzling. But I can tell you I've not seen such a beautiful country in a long time, you know. Long time. So this tells me I need to be doing this kind of hikes more, because my lungs, man, I got no lungs. I think I've done 6 kilometers and I have like 2 more. Yeah, so we're actually here for a certain function. And but to Nairobi, when you see a beautiful country like this one, so we told the driver, drop us, let's go for a hike. I didn't know that I'm this unfit, and I also didn't know it's going to be this far. But anyway, it is what it is, and we gotta have to take this challenge head on. Yeah, man. It's a beautiful country, but it somehow looks the same, like somehow, were it not for the people who are around, I would think that this is somewhere in Eldoret, in Cabernet, Kapsabet. Yeah, it's a beautiful country. I also, and I found a friend. And I also think that according to what I can see, I think this place is of the same height above sea level with LD. Yeah, man. This place has also produced several long distance runners like Wanjiro, the late Samuel Wanjiro. Yeah, it's a beautiful country. I would want to own land here, but it is really far, quite far from Nairobi. And we are still climbing. Yeah. And of course kids are fascinated by the camera. We are 4 and I'm the last one. So in this group I must be no unbreaking record for being unfit. Jesus Christ. Yeah, but it's a beautiful country. We go to a certain center here. Holy moly, it's raining. It is raining. Jesus Christ, I've not been laying down for quite some time. So, I'll let you know what the name of this center is, but I have to branch here. Esther! Holy moly, I'm getting rained on. Jesus Christ. I knew it. I knew it. We are not going to be soaking wet. Donkeys are quite a number here. This looks like I'm hitting donkey's meeting point. After a day's work, this is where they come to talk with each other and tell each other how they've been abused by their owners. So yeah, we have a kamukoji for donkeys here in Silibwet. That one right there looks like he's angry. I don't know why. Oh, we just arrived. Thank you, Lord. Silibwet country is such a beautiful place. Yeah, man. I don't know whether we have arrived or these guys are actually shielding themselves from the rain. But it's been a long time, man. Yeah, man. So we are here. I'll show you our way out. Adios, muchachos.